Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are going to discuss that what are glands. Glands are the important organs that are located throughout the body. They produce and release the different substances that perform the certain functions. Though you have many glands throughout your body, they fall into two types, endocrine glands and the exocrine glands. Means that there is no specific location of the glands and they are located throughout the body, and there are basically main two types of glands, exocrine and the endocrine. So it's easier for you to remember that how many types of gland. Firstly, we are going to discuss what are the exocrine glands. Exocrine glands are the glands that secrete their secretions through ducts. Means that these glands require ducts to secrete their secretions. So there are certain examples of the exocrine glands like mammary gland, sweat gland, salivary gland and lacrimal gland. These are those glands that are having duct because they secrete their secretions through the duct. Then there is the second type, which is the endocrine gland. Endocrine glands are those glands which are ductless, meaning that they don't have a duct and they directly pour their secretions into the blood. Means that endocrine glands are those which are without ducts and they are secreting their secretions directly into the blood. For example, thyroid gland, and there are many other glands like pineal gland, adrenal gland. These are also endocrine glands because they are pouring their secretions directly into the blood. For your more understanding, firstly, there is the endocrine gland in which the secretions are directly poured into the bloodstream, and then this blood carries that substances or secretions or hormones to the target tissue where they generate the response. In the second diagram, there is the exocrine glands. Exocrine means that those are having ducts and they are in need of ducts to secrete their secretions. You can see. So this is all about the glands. There is a simple intro and their types. If you still have any question, you can comment. Thank you so much for watching.